guys, it's Desiree Cinna back with a new video. So here I'm going to be having 4 bowls or 5 bowls with food dye, and now that I have my food dye, I'm going to add whipped cream, actually frosting, and adding my dye to it. Once I have my dye, I'm going to just stir up. Right here I'm just going to be making blue while my boyfriend is making the other colors, and I'm just going to be stirring this until all the dye is gone. So here are all my colors. I've made pink, orange, yellow, blue, and green. I didn't put purple because we didn't have any room. So here I'm going to put them all inside a frosting bag, and I'm just lining them up on some saran wrap. And this will give you the rainbow effect for the frosting. So now I'm just going to be adding my orange color, and I'm just going to keep doing this. Once I run out, I'm just going to keep refilling it, and it just helps me. I also realized that making 24 cupcakes, I had to refill 3 times. Also, when you're doing this, you want to make sure there are no air bubbles because it will ruin the frosting, and you don't want that. So now I'm just adding my green. And I also didn't want to put a lot of food dye, but here I'm just going to be rolling it up as you've seen with no air bubbles. Then you want to stir it like that or twist it. Then once you're done, you want to cut off the ends and place it inside your bag. Placing inside the bag, you want to make sure that your tip is like even, and here is just when I frost it, and you can see how beautiful it looks. So here's just another time lapse of me frosting the cupcakes. I also wanted to do a rose type frosting tip, and I thought it came out very, very beautiful. These are also for my boyfriend's niece for her birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday, Isaiah. So here I'm just refilling. I actually refilled it, and now I'm just going around and doing the same thing for the rest of these cupcakes. Alright, so if you guys don't know that on some of the cupcakes there were like some air bubbles, as right there you can see it turned out to be a fail, but it's okay. As I can see, I'm actually doing a voiceover, guys, but I think I'm doing a pretty good job. But this was a 4-hour project, but the video was only like 5 minutes. That's one thing I hate. So these are how the cupcakes look, and overall they look very beautiful. Also, I am going to put some cupcake toppers, but it will be a rainbow lollipop on top. So once they're finished, I just put them inside of a foil or aluminum foil bowl or plate. I can't talk, guys, but these are how they look. Also, me and my boyfriend ate the other 3. So here I just have some lollipops. These were about $10, and I also use some stuff that my boyfriend gave me. I don't know what they're called, to cut them. And it is a lot easier than cutting them with scissors because it took me forever. But that's how I do it, and you just place them right on top. So here's an overall look of the cupcake. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Be sure to thumbs up and like and subscribe. Oh, I don't want the
Yes.